How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are start reading. Yesterday I read the chapter Preserving Nature. Okay, that day we have covered 3 passages of the chapter. Today we are going to start the fourth passage of the chapter. All the students firstly listen carefully. Save petrol and alcohol. The widespread use of petrol has caused serious air pollution. Fortunately, many alternative fuel cars are being developed other than electric powered cars and hydrogen powered cars. Another substitute for petrol is alcohol. It might seem strange to relate cars and alcohol as it considered dangerous, but two common types of alcohol, ethanol and methanol, are used as fuel for cars. Please remember this. Your chapter name is Preserving Nature. How we save our earth. Your first topic is Go Green. I hope you all are understood. Okay. In the end of the lecture, I asking some questions and discussing MCQs. Okay. And the second passage, Save Gibbons. Third passage, Gather and Save Rainwater. I hope you all are understood. Okay. Today we are going to start. Fourth passage, Save Petrol via alcohol. Okay. Read it carefully. The widespread use of petrol has caused serious air pollution. Okay. However, alcohol used as a motor fuel is denatured, and methanol, known as wood alcohol, has already been in use. Okay. Already been in use. These substitutes supply less power than petrol, using large amount of fuel for a same distance, but these fuels are cleaner than petrol, and there is a little possibility that the earth will ever run off them. Okay. Now I explain alcohol and petrol. Look at your smart board. Yes. Petrol is very reactive and inflammable substance. After burning petrol, it gets 33.5 million joules of energy should be released. Where joules are the unit of energy, like that weight has measures in by kilogram and length is measured. Students, I know network problem, some students waiting for voice, but now are you listening me? I hope you listening me. Yes beta. I explain the top passage 4, alcohol and petrol and alcohol. Now I explain it, petrol and alcohol. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Petrol is very reactive and inflammable. Okay. Now here, alcohol burning ethanol. It gets 23 billion joules energy should be released, that is 30 years less than petrol. Okay. Look at carefully. Petrol is a very reactive and inflammable substance, and here alcohol burning ethanol, it gets 23.5 billion joules energy should be released, that is 30 years less than petrol. Okay. Next one is here petrol. Purification and manufacturing of petrol is highly expensive. Okay. Yes. Purification and manufacturing of petrol is highly expensive. Petrol is an exhaustible source of energy. They are limited energy, they are limited. If they will get used, it never be reused. Okay beta. Next one is alcohol. What is the difference between the alcohol? Alcohol is also inflammable but don't reactive like a petrol. Okay. Next, manufacturing of alcohol is easier. Okay. Look at the third one is ethanol is an inexhaustible source of energy that can be prepared by several methods. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. I hope you all are understood the difference between the alcohol and the petrol. Petrol is very reactive and inflammable substance. Alcohol burning ethanol, it gets 23.5 millions of joules energy should be released, that is 30 years less than petrol. Okay. Alcohol is also inflammable but don't reactive like a petrol. Petrol is a reactive but alcohol is not a reactive. Okay. And petrol purification and manufacturing of petrol is a highly expensive. Okay beta. But manufacturing of alcohol is easier. Okay. Yes. Now we get start MCQs. Okay. I hope you all are understood about the chapter 7th, preserving nature. Now I ask you questions and give me answer if you are understand whole chapter. Okay. Resident of town modern community for to become self-sufficient in fruit and vegetable stock by 2018. Okay. Please give me answer. Here 3 options. Yes. Use their wasteland to grow fruit and vegetable. Have gardens and fields full of vegetable. Get vegetable and fruit free from the government. Yes. All the students read the chapter. I hope you know what is the answer. Yes. What is the answer of this MCQ? Yes. Yes beta. Use their wasteland to grow fruit and vegetable. Here first answer is right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Are you understand? Yes. Now look at next one is yes. Phuket, Thailand is the homeland for. All the students read the chapter carefully. Phuket, Thailand. Okay. Thailand is the homeland for monkeys, square, gibbons. Yes. Right answer is gibbons. Yes. Limbardia residents are harvesting rainwater, crops, petrol. Which is your right answer? Yes, rainwater. Is it clear? Yes. 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 I repeat again. Phuket, Thailand is the homeland for gibbons. Limbardia residents are harvesting rainwater. Is it clear? Now look at next slide. GRP is the abbreviated from for gross represent process, gibbon rehabilitation project, grow represent and plan. Which is your right answer? Yes. All the students read the chapter. Which is your right answer? Gibbon rehabilitation project. Yes. Gibbon. Yes. Here second option is right. Yes. To substitute for petroleum according to the text are, yes, ethanol and carbon, sodium and methanol, and ethanol and methanol. Yes, ethanol and methanol is the right answer. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. Yes, students. Now look at your next slide. Yes. To save wildlife, government is passing many laws with the help of community. Okay? Community is the right answer. Where is the Limbadia statuette? Gujarat is the right answer. Is it clear? Yes. Yes. Now, next slide is, yes. How many orchard trees have managed? How many orchard trees have managed in the center of the town? How many trees? All the students read the chapter. Yes. 200 is the right answer. Okay. 200 is the right answer. Dash is used as the motor fuel, denatured fast. Yes. Which is your right answer here? Ethanol, sodium, methanol. Yes. Ethanol is the right answer. Yes. Good. Yes. Now, look at the word meaning. Yesterday we have discussed, I repeat again, what is the meaning of symmetry? Graveyard. What is the meaning of sprouting? To start growing. What is the meaning of communal? Involves different groups of societies. What is the meaning of ladder? What is the meaning of ladder? A small room or place to store food. Okay. Next one is denatured. Denatured, changed. Next one is reservoirs, an artificial lake to store water. Water table, the water table underground. Okay. Next one is runoff. Rain, water or any other liquid that runs off land into the rivers. Okay. Substitute, a thing used instead of something that is usually used. Okay. Poachers, a person hunting animals with illegally in somebody else's property. Okay. Next one is, yes, I repeat again, poachers, a person hunting animals with illegally in somebody else's property. Yes, I hope you all are understood a whole chapter. Okay, we will continue question answer our next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.